guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna be, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna be making different sounds with different tools. So, I have the, okay wait, hold on. I have the choo-choo train whistle, okay. So this basically makes choo-choo train noises, so. That's the first one, and so I'm just gonna set it down right there. And then I have two slide whistles. I have this one and this one. It even says slide whistle. Slide whistle. Alright. So yeah. This one is similar. I don't want to blow in too hard because it's really quiet here, so yeah. And so I also have this maraca, which sounds, what does this remind you of? Comment down below what this reminds you of. I don't know. It's weird. I have this one. I don't know if any of you guys ever had one of these. It's usually just got that. Cool. It has like things on it. Alright. I have like a whole bunch of things in one. This is a maraca. I think it's like a homemade one. It's pretty cool. Look. It's up close. Yeah. Okay. I have this tool. I don't know what it is. It's a musical tool though. It's in the music book. I have a little bunch of maracas in here. I'm trying to look for. Do any of you guys know how to play one of these? Accordion? Okay, so you just blow into it, play. It's pretty hard, actually. I'm thinking. Say that's that. And then I have another one. It's another one. Ooh, but this one's different. This one does not have this top part. See, look how it has this top part? This one doesn't have that top part. It's flat. See the difference? Yeah. Let me try this one. It seems way easier to play than this one. And I can kind of see why. Because you have to blow in air and it's hard. Oh, and I have these things too. I don't think I can play them. Where the snappy thing is? Did you go? So yeah, okay, I guess that's how you play it. And so I have like a whole bunch of drums and things. Ones I already showed you. So yeah. The next thing, this is gonna be multiple video videos. And, Yes, it is slime. And yes, it is stretchy slime. I'll probably make a part 2 of this. I don't know, but probably. So this is basically sand slime, which means it's fluffy and it's sandy and slimy at the same exact time. So when you have it in your hand, it feels like kinetic sand. It actually feels like kinetic sand, right? You like that? It's like when kinetic sand falls, right? But no, it's stretchy. It's actually stretchy, and then you can actually mold it, and it's amazing. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna have to break this into like 2 parts. So this is gonna be the first part. I'm gonna make a second part tomorrow. Pretty sure I can make it tomorrow. If I can't, I'll make it some other time. But this is gonna be part 1. I'm gonna have to edit it, of course, but this is part 1, and there's gonna be a part 2. I just need time, my friends. I have strict parents, and I need time. I'm thinking of quitting YouTube, but not just yet. I just need new video ideas. I'm running out of ideas. I post TikToks. I feel like it's getting boring, and I don't have time to record because of school. So I might just record when I have time, like on winter break. I can record then, if I don't forget, and when I have quiet time. So yeah. See you guys in part 2, hopefully some other time. Alright, bye guys!